A female.
Good thing Sam didn't carry that too, you know. Anyways, I want your YouTuber friend them bring it come, can you say you go Sheldon, your business flat, make your YouTube everything mash up.
Alright. And I really shoot more if you shoot, you know. You understand? That's something more you do for me.
Like what?
I don't know nothing too big. Never say
Me.
you in a pantan.
Me pantan carry. Yeah. Shirt mother woman.
Then who else?
Better you rape man dog. That me I tell you. You rape man dog. Yo, man, me teach you. I want you dog. Yo, why you do that? Come on. Yo.
Maggy.
Teach my soul to sing your song, even when my eyes can't see. When I can't seem to carry on, I know your hand is guiding me. I know your hand is guiding me. Through the valley I may walk, but you are all I'll ever need. Gave your life to take my fall, so in the storm I will have peace. So come the storm I'll still believe. And when it seems I'm at the end, and I don't know what I believe, through the cloud I see your hand, reaching down to guide me. You're always reaching down to guide me, 'cause I am yours and I am free.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see.
Guys, and thanking you for supporting my channel as a young upcoming YouTuber. Thanking you for making me reach 40k subscriber And we're gonna have a new movie on this channel called The Rat in the Camp. So I want you guys to stay tuned. And all who not subscribe it, please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. Also want you to share with your family, guys, all overseas, all over board in the UK, in the US, in Jamaica. I'm out. Boy, rough still, but give thanks. One more movie that. Thank you, Lord. Hello, sis.
Alam, bro.
Yeah, man, you good?
Ako yun ako tumipawin mo kay.
Sis, you know, so I'm busy. I do some things. I can't. Look how far you live, sis.
Yeah, go on like
Yeah.
no, Portland. Portland come from, you know.
Sis, remember say a whole heap of things, you know, sis. Remember say, me have to there hustle, you know. Yeah. It come like, you know, say, it work come here do, you know, sis. You forgot say, I don't know, easy work. And it hard to get work nowadays, especially back up where we come from.
Bro, from Mama did. Mama just told me to see about me not see your friend. You must can't take one day or one two school for your sister, man. You must say, wait, me and you are always that, you know, we don't got nobody else.
But I choose, sis, but me have to hustle, sis. See it, a two things me I do. Just to try make money. Me have to do YouTube and me have to work a hardware. But anyway, still, sis, next week, I'm going to call look for you, my sister.
Oh, look for me, man. I'm here getting to the world, you know, man. I'm make next week part time, I'm going to look for you.
Alright, my sister, I'm going to call look for you.
Alright, take care of yourself.
Yeah, same to you.
Alright.
Yo, Skaggy.
Yo, Pantan! Forward now, man.
Oh, you know Sammy, brother.
So we don't know your voice.
What's her name?
Cool, man.
Yeah.
What do you?
Congrats for your 40,000, brother.
What you mean, man?
40,000?
Hard work I put in, man.
Easy, man. Yo, your piece of 40,000 easy to get, brother. As a young channel, I just start, brother. How you do it, bro?
You know, say hard work and the fans them out there rate me. I love half the thing, bro.
Yo, brother.
I remember say fans them, you know, me can't get the 40,000, you know.
Yeah.
Without them, me can't get, you know.
Yeah,
I support them, man.
Yeah, go on good, brother. You see two movies them we you start out with. The feast of them two movies there in the channel.
True, man.
Yeah, man. But yeah, go on good, brother.
Me want next hit a forward soon, man.
What I want the name?
Wet and Wild.
Wait a while. I so much you do. Yo, you know say me have one right now in my general way. The one about tough in brother.
Yeah. What I want
Yeah, man. You know say me not get no name, brother. But
Sure.
it's tough, brother. It's a wicked, brother. Believe me. As you know, sir, I'm my phone me use shoot them fast. You don't know. Yeah, cameraman. Can't bother to shoot to the camera more, brother. The phone let me go faster, brother.
Nah, man.
You see it?
Can't use it. You have to get a camera, bro.
Now get in one, man.
A good work, you know, man. People
Yo.
want to see good quality.
I true, but my mind, good, man. The phone good said way, man. But watch out. you don't know, say, I want to thing me come check up on differently. Me have one new actress that come from town, brother. On town side. You understand? You see that actress there? She, what me say, she good in her, brother. When me say she good, me mean she good, brother. Like, she born feet, brother, believe me. She born feet, brother. So, me say, yo, like how she a father my foot.
Yeah.
You can work with her at the same speed, you know? Yeah, cause I don't know, as I said, you have to look out for yourself, because then I game before you already, you know. You understand? But I rate how you go and stay. So, where they find differently?
Yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? You don't know how to do today.
I sit me go to eat and now down at one place on the road, you know.
Because I want to see me, they don't want to cut out for me as a producer to a producer.
I want to see it.
I don't know if you're available.
It's like you really want to follow now, in general. But you want to?
I don't know how much, man. We'll chop it fast.
Do what you do then now.
Alright.
Get the camera and make it chop out it. Love how you do your thing out.
No, so I don't think me about to kick off now to the door, bro.
Brother, not bother with that, brother. The energy ups already, brother. Alright, yo.
Bro, I want to kick off earlier, man.
Brother, more people let me see me. For a year movie them, bro. I'm telling you, brother.
I know that, bro, but...
I must say, yo, I'm telling you, brother. Yeah. That's cool, man.
Oh, yeah, me I say, bro. Tomorrow would that be better day.
Oh.
I want to kick off with my actress.
Oh. Oh. The big woman that we have.
Yeah,
She's tough, you know, youth.
So I'm not tell her, man.
Well tough, man. She's well tough. So, what you say, me and her deal it tomorrow?
Yeah, I want you and her play a role and she not about her now.
Oh.
Yeah.
Alright, so you say tomorrow me I shoot for Skaggy Films. Shut up, man. But you know, you know, say, me have a cousin. You have a cousin on over, you know.
Yeah.
Him want you help him start one channel, you know, brother. Him say you watch a movie with them and you rate them and sitting better. You see it? Yeah, man, him say I'm lucky into your thing, bro. So I say, yo, he want you help him start one channel. Can you give me a number?
You know why you're not teaching, bro?
Why me not teach him? I don't know, brother. Remember, say everybody tastes different, you know, brother. Man, him decide say he want you teach him, so I don't know.
But say you boss me, you know. So don't know if I boss somebody too, you know.
That's cool, man. I'm telling you, and it was I will go youth on my road.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
I hear friend him. Call him.
Call him.
Yeah, let me hear friend him.
Oh, yeah, say, man. Alright, hold on. Good youth, you know, man. You see it? I'm my first cousin, you see it?
Friend, yeah, say a good youth, yes.
Good youth, man. I'm glad in them, brother. Yo, Stefan.
Yo,
How you doing, lady?
you know something there, cause I go on.
Better not tell me how far foot me there right now, brother.
How far?
Skaggy, man.
Jesus, Skaggy.
Yeah, yeah, can I phone up on speaker, you know, brother?
Yo, Skaggy.
Hi, pretty bro.
Jesus, yo, me a big fan of you, youth. Watch all the movie, them, you're tough, youth.
I believe, man, believe. And your cousin show me one pre about you, know.
Yeah, yo, Skaggy. Right now, I want to kick off a thing and you want to help me.
Nah, man, pre man, bro. Anytime I'm ready, you can forward, man. Make.
Man, so we say we can arrange a day, we have a meeting, because yo, you're tough, man, youth.
Tough for truth. For just start on that day, brother. Believe me, saying tough, brother.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
You will have feeling about in the next week, cause I'm go busy this week.
My cousin tell you where I forward from.
Yeah, man, inside right up to someone right turn over.
Yeah, man, cause one night time when I fall down for your place and give you a link and we link up on.
Cho.
True, man. Your cousin go bring her my foot, man. No worry ahead, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, me not lie, man. Yo, can't believe you.
Yo, brother, yo, I really can't believe it. I know, so I have a link them, bro. I'm clear my youth. Remember, say we
I know, say I believe, man, but for when through me and say, yo, Ray, you know?
just cool, man. Alright, IG put me there, man. You see it? Remember, you know, man. The G just catch 40,000, you know. Fast. You see it?
One's Skaggy
Yeah, and I may bring him to you, know.
True.
Yeah, man. So, yo, watch out now. Just Me I'll give you that number. Yes, I give me a number and make him connect up and rare.
Yo, give me film number.
Alright, feed that number. Me I'll give him a number. What time me I'll give him for your number, see? And then I'll WhatsApp you later and arrange up when you can forward a foot and sitting on. Where's that? Next week?
Yeah, man, next week.
Yeah, because I done do one different work, you know. Done work never have to tell you I done work serious, is it? But you done work differently, man. That's why I'm not to put out the whole for move like that, you know, because you have other work to do, is it? And I like me, is it? Yeah. So we are bung bang up and connect up next week and your father done put on make an arrangement and because I don't know Lego your road, you know, because from this man Lego your road you gone. You get a channel monetized up all in a one week. Is it? Alright, code, see?
Yeah, man, look more.
Yeah, my general. Yeah, man, I'm an auntie man, first cousin, man.
So,
But the boy not rate me. Are you in rate?
true.
Well, yo, you don't know, you know. I make a one move, you know. So, you say tomorrow about 9 o'clock.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Alright, line up the camera them and charge up the battery them and see. You see?
Alright, bro.
Big up yourself, brother. Yeah. Ball game.
As I went down in the river to pray, studying about that good old way, and who shall wear the starry crown? Good Lord, show me the way. Oh, sisters, let's go down, come on down. Oh, sisters, let's go down in the river to pray.
Just bust around. Say, you couldn't clean your throat.
No, sir. I'm ready to start work now, you know. What going?
You kind of look a bit late, you know.
Who?
You.
You must be mad. Me always running around
I
with
joke
me.
me an actress icon. You know, say, I feel my boy, me there wait for and I feel my boy them.
You not start shoot.
Hold on, you're deaf. You know, you hear me I tell us say me I wait for one of my boy them. And you want him, me I go make the scene.
Me and him?
Yeah.
So, are you say you plan to shoot?
Actress. Icon. When me could have really go shoot in a short scene. Me call you for an overnight, me can know say it's a short scene one.
No, your son not lookable for your shoot that they kind of seen the way you tell me about last night. I mean, can I go down and square go do it? This will look more nicer, man.
Icon. Remember say it's not a movie where I start, you know. The movie actually done. And you know that too. Cause you're in it from start. So you're supposed to know. We finish up a movie, you know. Writers alone can finish.
I don't like how you so look. You could have gone in a town go do it right at the square this, so this will look more nice.
How you want to say in a town?
People not have to go in a town go do nothing for people see me. They not have to.
Yo,
alright.
You would want to ask, you know, Icon. Are you a producer or me a producer?
You are a producer. Me I want to actress
So
them.
how you going to tell me how to run my show?
No, but me always tell you to do certain things and you do it. So I don't know one know you meet new friend. So you start talk to me one kind of way now. Me and you start from foundation. And I saw you come down. I saw you come down now. If you come deal with me, everything good, man.
What?
Skaggy,
Yeah.
I don't like how you deal with me from the other day, you know. You act like I say. True, you a producer. Me not have no say. Me not understand you. Me not understand you. Me not understand. Me not understand at all. You just a talk about producer if I'm a producer. I know say I'm a producer. Me a actress. But which one more important?
I'm a producer Icon.
Here. Me no know, you know. Me no know what you talk about, you know. Because if you no have no actress or no actor, you know, your thing can't do, you know. You understand? It can't get done.
You know a joke, man. Give me a hug, man. You have to see with me sometime.
Alright, me I come go for your chair and come sit down and wait for your friend.
I wonder how you reach it at 9 o'clock now.
Skaggy, movie where you make me do the other day, you know. It a go on, you know.
Which one?
The one where you make me do the long gun. Yo,
Yeah, you know what I say?
you shell down the place.
Come to think of it, you know what I say? One of the biggest movie them that. You know what I say? I call this other movie they bust my channel. I have to go buy a drink. All when me pay already. Cause you right now make that the movie they are shot right now. But it have the most views and most likes right now.
I see it, man. So when I go to part 5, cause people them not stop bother me for me live, you know, they not stop ask me feet. And me I tell them say me no know when that I go start out, you know, cause right you know.
You
They
know
think
say,
they take money, you know.
true, but you know say, I want to do it for real. But if the people then give me 50,000 subscriber, I drop your morning, Lego this a movie and drop your morning. I just 50,000 I want right now for dropping.
Yeah, but me not tell you no lie, no Skaggy. You have to go give me more money, you know.
Oh God, man.
Yeah,
can.
man. You don't know already, so then things that take whole heap of money for sort out.
You forgot to say you boss the channel.
I know, man. But, Skaggy, you really think say me a them big time professional actress there when me really make a channel read so far and me really bust it from foundation until now? You think me really do that? Like seriously?
Then why you feel say we call it icon? You deserve an Oscar.
You know people always tell me on my live, they phone me and tell me on messenger. They always text me and they tell me say me deserve an Oscar and they tell me say anyhow me left this a place and go a certain place. Me not have to call them place a different country though, and then tell me the name of my country. God know. They're even bigger too.
True.
But I'm proud of myself still, you know.
I'm proud of you too.
Born with that talent and God give me, so I have to give God the glory, you know. Why? Proud of myself, you know.
Proud of you too, man.
Born with that talent, yeah, and God give it to me.
Yo, Skaggy!
And I have to give God thanks, you know.
Like I knew
Yo!
after this. Yo, bad bro!
Why pray now? Me tell you now.
Forward! I knew after this a forward.
Yo! I'm not back again, my general.
Yeah, man,
I
forward.
don't know what forward in, you know.
Yeah, see.
Yo! How this? Yo! How this? Yo! How this, brother?
Bad actress icon, man.
Now you order the movie with the long gun, so yo. No, sir. You. So you tell us I'm a producer, too, right?
Yeah, man, I'm an actor, I'm that tell about, but
Yeah.
I'm also a producer.
Right. So you know, sir. Please to me, my friend, man. Yeah. You're going to want to move them to see me, you know.
Yeah, man.
You're really the general, man. You see it?
Come on,
Yeah, man, because you don't know. A long time up on the ground, you know. Even before him, you know. I may let him go, you know.
True, man.
I may let him go, you know. You see it? But yo, you're tough, you know, yo.
Yeah, man, long time legendary.
Yo,
Yes.
you forget,
Yeah, the
hey,
legend,
you
yeah.
forget all of the good things,
Yeah.
Well, movie offer me, I tell you that.
Yeah.
You're for rich.
Yeah, man.
Believe me. You see that rich already, too.
know,
Yo, she powerful, you know, brother.
I know, man.
Believe me, man. So,
You're already late enough on time. We can chat about this after. Remember 2 movies I have to finish up, you know. Wait
Yeah.
a while and Rat in the Camp.
yeah.
But a Rat in the Camp we are working on today, so
Alright, Rat in
you're
the Camp.
already late, so
Sorry about that, man.
that good, man.
That's cool, man. He is in a top actress, man. Icon, right?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, free. Yo, I love how you do a movie.
You can see watch what you think, man.
Yeah, man, I love how you do a movie with the long gun, man. And you see it? Believe me.
All this are there for me, Pantan.
See, no, man. Yo, remember something I used to them something, brother. Yo.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You soon get used to it, man.
So,
One
remember
day.
my phone we using, man, yo.
Oh,
I
God,
do
man.
something like that. Yeah, man.
Alright.
So what say we are doing now?
Me go use this stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, me go kinda use this.
So take all this out right, from your side, right?
Yeah.
Alright. So yo, what you mean someone have to talk to your sister, eh? What you mean someone have to talk to your sister? Me a rich boy, you know. Me not look rich. I want you.
You don't talk?
Me more than don't talk, man.
Who you think you be?
You mean, you know say, you know
Look on
say,
you. Look on you.
Clarks, man, I want you.
You're not nobody fi talk to my sister. You're not the my sister level. Little dirty idiot, ugly boy, butterfoot boy, when I have no money, I dress up in your friend them clothes. And I can't go on like you're somebody, but when my sister meet you?
Let me tell you this.
Eh?
Oh,
What you mean my sister?
This a shot, yeah. I buy this a shot. What out to this? What shot?
This, you don't even no class to talk to my sister. You're low class. You're idiot boy.
Me a idiot. Where your sister there?
No one, no niece, no nigga from you.
Hey, Keisha, come on, that's
No man, move from the door, you're idiot.
Man. Hey, don't play with me now.
What you mean don't play with you? Who you think you be? I ain't come go on like I say I'm a bad man and then I'm afraid that you want your gun. Man, me back up on your fool. I want to you. You think me afraid of that?
Wait till me come back now.
Wait till you come back from away. If you think you're bad, pull it trigger. Who you talk to? Man, move from your son, go and come out of me yard. Yo, no come back and talk to me, sister. Make you too big, boy. Yo, come out of me yard, boy. Come out of me yard. Shut up, bust your head, yo.
I can. You don't have to cut that scene. You know, Phantom.
Yeah.
You shouldn't ask Icon for your sister in a this scene.
This a scene. Okay. You know what I remember me remember. So we get carried away now. You see it?
I go sometime, man. I know what I next scene still.
I next scene, yeah.
Ask her for your sister.
Oh.
So the part there, I think we have to do back cover the part there.
Alright, well, last part.
Yeah, last part.
Alright, no problem. Hey, you know, easy to you know. Yo, yeah, give it to me, you know. I say still in real life.
Yeah.
You're easy. You know? Alright, so we say, I'll shoot back over the part then.
Shoot back the part.
Alright, so ready? Alright. So, I me first I'll talk or she?
Alright, more they talk first. You first,
Yeah.
so I'll talk. You pick up from. You know what to pick
Yeah. Right, yeah.
just to ask her about for your sister. Different scene that.
Alright, yeah.
Sweet chariot coming for the Caribbean. Oh, swing along, sweet chariot coming for to carry me.
Yeah, movie done now. But you want to do for me now, Phantom. One, give me a little intro.
Me?
Yeah, man, we can drop on a movie.
I don't know if I can do no intro. Yo.
I can. Let him just say, I gotta do it to them, man. Believe.
Yo, brother, I'm telling you.
Believe in yourself now, bro.
Yo, brother, intro, brother.
Well, it's simple.
1%.
You know, I just tell them, say, big up Skaggy Flings and send them over my channel, go subscribe.
Alright, ready?
Action.
Yo. brother.
Me know say first I do it, but I done it already. Just tell it to them
to
go over there somewhere.
Try.
Me do intro for my channel, but to this one a channel, a big channel. Alright, ready?
We know you're shy,
ready.
man, but just
Ready?
action.
Guys, I don't know, you know. Yo, start over.
Yo, just breathe easy, bro.
Ready.
You know you can do it.
I'm ready, man.
Action.
Yes, guys, I don't know. Welcome back to the channel. I don't know, you know. Panther represent for Skaggy Films. I don't know. You understand me? I say, yo, subscribe to it. Cut it, brother. Yo, brother.
You must turn up in too much water.
Yo,
What else you gonna turn up?
yo, hold on, man. Yo, ready again.
Yo, Phantom.
Ready though.
You know you can do it, bro.
Alright.
Me I try with you one last time.
Alright.
Catch you this time.
Yeah.
Action.
Ready. What go on, people? I don't know. I represent for Skaggy Films. I don't know, you know. I mean, I say, yo, subscribe. I don't know. leave in the comments and your thoughts. You don't know things that you know and share it with on the family overseas and a friend them. I don't know. I don't know. I want Skaggy Films as a general always say I never told. I don't know, is it? Yeah man. Big up.
Good. So easy, my bro.
Yo, I really do them as them more.
Yes, I can give one too.
Hey man, I want to.
Action.
You hear me now? Guys, listen me now. There's a new film coming out on Skaggy Films. Big, bad and large. And you don't know say Skaggy Films run the place. So now go come on Skaggy Films, subscribe. Remember to press the notification bell. Leave a comment, like and share. Remember, no disrespectful comment. You understand? I know not gonna like a movie, you know, because I don't know say icon and the thing, you see it. And then me have Pantan right beside me. And we are gonna run the place. Make sure I say.
I don't know.
Wanna sit down, eat on ice cream and a popcorn and enjoy on yourself and the popcorn.
Sister. Yeah man, me good man. You know say on your side more come here now cause long time I no see you know, so me have my car roll in. Yeah man, me a pass through. No idea. Yeah man, I know me a left out man, beard and everything. So me a look at drive and forward. Alright. You know how long me no come on me yard. Feel shame all this a mango tree I get big. Sis! Mommy!
What? Brother?
Wow,
Hey.
sister.
Brother.
Long time I no see you now. How mommy there?
She there in the sun, man. So come on. Man, you have need for reason. Aye.
Mommy put on all weight though man. But I wanna get the heap of fall from.
You know say, I raise him though. He sell off to some hotel.
So you no rich when you no sell them off.
Yeah man. So I go on my big brother.
There I no look at sis. Can't believe someone make him mango tree beer off and no save none for me.
You know we always still live.
Say no send on some pan Oxford.
You know, see I trouble. Still have a
Those
joke.
are a long time, you know
Still have a
man.
jokes, man.
Yo man, I will still have a powers to you know man. You must have family quick, you know man.
Oh.
So tell me something now. How are things, my sister?
My day and a big brother. But you come make a me if you call you for your reach, you know.
Sis, me know man, but remember say me have to work, you know man. I two work me there always do, you know. YouTube plus me there hardware work too. But anyways, I still do them thing there.
Yeah man, I never stop.
But sis, tell you the truth, you know, sis. Me no want to use your powers to do no evil stuff, you know. I want to do a godly thing. Sis, make sure you know there Portland, I do no evil stuff, you know. And for me hear that, they know say enough people up here in life. Make sure you not do it, you know, sis. Because I know you. Sister, them a spiritual work where I do. You can't afford for you use your analyze people, you know, for you do wicked things with you, for you help people, you know, for you collect no money from nobody, for you do them a work. I help you for you help people up here.
Money I feel make, you know. So anybody forget analyze, get analyze.
Sis, money you have to make, yes, but you make it wrong way.
But you have to make money. So me make money.
So you make money. So you don't decide to do nothing else, nothing godly.
No, sir,
every
this
day
me
you
like.
get up and do ungodliness things.
No, sir, this me like, this is how I feel.
Sister, you feel glad God bless you with a talent, you know. You know, sister, it's a talent God gave away. You get for you use the good. Cause me get it too, you know. And a good me I take it up. Do my local YouTube and work on my hard me I try to survive a West. But that's the reason why I'm there West, you know. Nothing going on up here, so, you know. I more have things off of my own, more have my own things, sis. Me all want to come out West and look for me more, but true, good can mix with evil. You know plan for change.
No, sir.
I tell you. Sis, them long time can there when I see about the place. How are you gonna use them again?
Yeah, man, me use them, man, but show you come to this, so you know, I put them up. You know, see my head even wrap. Today I'm a day off, man.
Oh, good thing I do is put them up and put them up permanent too.
Yeah, sir. You're there, man.
Sister, want to put on them a thing out here to call yourself people and call them mother woman and anything there. Sis, you know, sis, just put on them something there.
Yes, I can't put on them things there.
Cause why?
Money I have to make, you know, bro. You know how much money me I make off of this job? Hey, I was a couple scammer come here with 300,000 and them money they just analyze somebody, you know. And just like more money and thing and them rich and me rich and
Sister, I wonder if you listen to yourself or your talk, sis. Yeah, me understand say you probably make money up here half of your work, but God wants to see we are do good. God don't want to see we are do bad. All when money the death we make, God still don't want we are do bad. God want we are do what him give we talent for the knowledge we do. And that the work them want we do. God never put we a fear. Yeah, unalive nobody and this and that. One day bad blessing will take you. You don't believe say somebody go unalive you to one day.
no, so nobody can analyze me.
Do good and good follow you, man. If you do evil, evil will go follow you. You think more on the as my little sister. Wise up, man. Yes, good Portland. Come go back in the west side now. See you soon, one day.
Yeah. You know, man, it's now warm in the summer, you know, man. Wait, boys, are you that?
Wait, job one.
Boy, come back to Portland, though. After that, dash away.
No, man, no say so, man.
No, I say some man, I see upon the human too, but I'm a father, make be money, you know. So I go on.
Take time to talk, Lord, come. I wish me really make them the money they won't think me I make.
No, man, make see upon human too, whole it, my father, man. But boy,
What go on for your foot?
come like they set something for me, though, you know.
Yeah, charge ya, bro.
Then let's say I go check right now if you can see what can go and can take this off of me, you know. Because I can't work with this no more.
You know, say she not work today, though, bro.
I mean, she not work today.
She not work today, man.
Well, me see him, man. I know so let me go see him, I go check him, see him, man. He must be do something for me.
True,
Because a
man.
long time we are rolling, you know.
Anything you say I lie, no, but make sure I don't know how you know if you do you do, you know,
But watch
ungodly, you know.
No, man, everything in God hand same way, man. I got to work with him.
And my sister wicked, you see, you know.
But me not see the part they get, but differently. Check him and see what can go on.
Make sure you do it right,
But watch
you
out
know,
now.
man.
Left sitting no man, I am so.
Yo,
You see, reach out, no man.
you have account?
No, I don't use account, just give me cash.
Alright, when we reach that, me link you.
That's how I go
Give
on.
me a number. Because I not too come up here with not much for me, you know. So, give me a number.
I'm drop in. Drop in, you know. See, just you know, you can give me a link when you know.
As we reach down, man, me a shot you something through your money.
Yeah, man, make sure you call me. Hear what go on, man. Money a booming for you, know.
Oh,
I know
man.
say you buy a range and park it one side, you know.
No, man, me wish, man.
Alright, man.
Range in my mind, though.
Now, your mind.
Soon come out.
Worry yourself.
Yo.
That's what go on.
Yo, make sure you do godliness, you know.
I full of spray for me
Good
here.
things, you know, bro.
The spray for me, man.
Alright.
Boy, it's so not deadly though, man. Whew. Tell her, what I got touch on your hand there, man. Real that, man, oh God.
But now I'm found, was blind, but now I see. 'Twas grace that taught my heart to fear, and grace my fears relieved. How precious did that grace appear, the hour I first believed.
Gaggy Fibs! Gaggy Fibs! Yo, who that? A Stefan. Pantan Kozo. Who? Jesus Christ! Gaggy Fibs! Yo, me there! Go on. You take the direction well, man. A Pantan left me out of the road there, so. Jesus Christ, I can't believe you. Yo, you're tough in a youth. We know, man. Jesus, every night I get the family TV. Yo, big up yourself, man. I just say the thing then, cause I see it on my TV, you know. Yeah. Yo, right now I feel like a big star. Yo, me a link, you know. Yo, we have to tell people them this. So, go on. Well, send me there. Yo, I know me can't believe you. Yo, I feel like me and Jesus. Yo, me myself, yo. Me myself. Yo, I love, man. Jesus. So, yo, this is go on now. Yo, I have a time all day, you know. So, I want to teach you nice space of time I may have. Yeah. Where you say you shoot? You know what I say? Create new channel. You know what I say? My phone, me I go start off with. Phone? Yeah, but I don't really want the whole shooting thing. I just want to pay somebody make them do the work for me. And just give somebody their money. Pay some people make them just get everything done. No, bro, you're going to lose. If you continue and pay people for shoot for you, you're going to lose, bro. You're not going to earn as much money where you have to earn. I lose, you're losing. You know, win, you know. Lose, you're going to lose, bro. What I say? As a producer, you have to can shoot and you have to can edit, bro. Oh. No shortcut none of that, bro. Oh. I know something could just pay some people and make them just do that for me. But you're going to lose, bro. You're going to lose, bro. I can't teach you. I understand. So, you know what you say? You're willing to learn? Yeah, man, willing to learn, man. Yo, I was scared you for me. That's what we did, youth. Yo. I don't know, man. So, just show me what I'm going and first thing first, I want to learn. Yeah. Is how to hold a camera. No, so, man. So you hold the phone, man, and shoot it. I don't say you do it, bro. Yo. Yeah, you laugh, bro. Remember, I don't say you do it. A picture of the thing. Come show you for hold the camera, bro. Bro, it's a portrait. Yeah. I know some never know about that something there. It's a landscape. The best way to shoot a movie them is in landscape mode. Okay. Remember saying a shot, see how do. If a shot, see how do, you hold the phone so. Okay. Alright, know. But me understand. You see before you start shoot to, bro. Yeah. It's the next thing to make sure your lens them wipe off clean. Oh, you wipe off the camera. I don't know using rough cloth. Get something smooth. Yeah, if you have a piece of cotton, you can use it. You have two you can hold it phone. You can hold it so, or you can hold it so. Okay. But I don't know which way you would feel much comfortable if you hold it. So hold it, let me see it.
So me can hold it so. No. And you say me can hold it so. The one.
Bro, you know hold it, bro.
Eh?
You can hold the phone so,
Yeah.
or you can hold it so, bro.
Oh. Can hold the phone so. And we can hold the phone. So no.
Alright, just hold the phone so if I say you feel comfortable. But make sure your phone steady. You not lean so, or you not lean so.
Okay.
And
So,
see the next thing too.
steady.
Steady. You see the next thing too. It's like if, for example, bro, so when you shoot,
Yeah.
and like say characters them do this so, any mistake make, cause anything can go on while shooting, you know. A bike can pass a load of nine, you know. Or somebody can turn on their music next door. Anything can go on and anything they not healthy for YouTube and good.
Okay.
So if nothing like that go on, bro, you stop your character and you come from a different angle.
Catch it.
Remember you just left from the side, you know.
Yeah.
Say I'll come different angle now. Me no business which angle you want go, just change the angle. And then you go start it back and continue shoot. And you know why me do that?
Why?
When you edit,
Yeah.
it look obvious.
You can do that, man.
Many people can do it, but it take practice. I believe in you saying can do it, you know. But it take practice.
But still, you know say, I forward and I say, yo, I want you to shoot 3 movies for me per week. Every week you shoot.
What you say, cheat?
Yeah, joke, you know.
Bro, me do even do 3 movies for myself per week. Cause I no movie alone me shoot, you know. I work on hardware.
I mean, I forward say, I think you can do it, but I can't do it.
The best me can do for you right now,
Yeah.
come check me when I'm free. And when I know say me now do not like call upon today Sunday or when you come check me when me now do not know.
Yeah.
I'm a teacher. One day you might become perfect. Nobody know.
Yeah, man, I want to get you flip me to now, man.
So
Yo.
never too much.
Yeah, man. I forgot to tell people, you know, so I mean, sky long so. And then Sunday, but
Spread the word, man.
yeah, man, big bad, you know, do your thing, man. So I be a 6 them there.
Alright, bro. Yeah, man.
Alright, then we keep, eh?
Remember, you know, come check me, you know.
Yeah, man.
Believe in you.
Yeah, man, me serious, you know, man.
Alright, come
Alright. Now, say, yo. Big up yourself, you know, man.
all the time, man.
Alright. Yeah, cuz, you know, hear me. You hear me? You know, say, look, idiot boy, tell me, boy, he can't shoot 3 movies for me a week. You know, say, the boy, they're not good in a rate, man. Eh? What do you mean he can't shoot 3 movies a week for me? How? You know, I'm rise. You know, I see my progress. I bet him mash him up. Yo, cuz, I did them boy if he dead, you know. What do you mean he can't shoot? You know, I see my name food too. I'm alone one name food. Yo, cuz the boy, they don't know me, you know. After I left, go way over Westmoreland to look at that boy and come. Yo, actually, I'm to you, man. The boy, they don't know me. Yo, I dead them boy if he dead, you know. Alright, look what me I go do him. Watch me and him. Now watch no face, man. Now watch no face. Me not have to touch him, you know, but something go reach him. Don't worry yourself, man. Something go reach him. Cause a fool in take man for, you know. Think I'm alone one am food. Don't worry yourself, man. Don't worry yourself. Big up yourself, man. Idiot thing, the boy, they take me think. Boy, they don't know me, man. A real bad man in a youth. Yo, Skaggy.
I pray back
What go on, my general?
there. on my side now.
Oh, everything good?
Yeah, man.
Okay, you don't know, say, this is a favor me want there. Me want kick off, you see me want kick off something in when? On tomorrow, I want kick off something, but I want to feel actress them for borrow. Even the bad actress them and you want to do it with the long gun. You see me?
Oh, icon, yeah, actress icon.
Yeah.
Oh, when you would want her.
Tomorrow, I want kick off a thing tomorrow.
Alright, we're going to do with her. I'll make she get a number. And she call you and tell her what is what.
Yeah, then a good thing that man. So here what? I up off me place do you know?
Boy, yeah, easy enough, Stefan.
Watch out no man, me we meet her. You see me? And carry her up and me carry her back. You know say I a big man I think so. I have to take care of your people them, you know, so me make sure reach safe and reach back safe.
You know, easy enough, Stefan. That's a fire you want to take me actress bring up.
Watch out no man, remember say yo I hope so me I go do my thing, you know. Remember see me have to bust up at my place, you know. You know?
I told me to tell them I'm about
Oh, I'm tell man, chill no man. So just organize up and make me know.
Alright, bro. Look out for your call tomorrow later.
Alright then. Not say a word.
Yeah.
Ah. You don't worry yourself, you know, I've your channel so flop, you know. May have something for you, man. Taking that man to book man.
Yeah, they carry me come for shoot.
Eh? You know, watch you know. Beauty, come up man. Come up. You know, for me place. Just step up man. Can't turn up on it. Half forward maybe. Have a talk.
What kind of movie you say you want me to shoot now?
Alright. And I really shoot more if you shoot, you know. You understand? That's something more you do for me.
Like what?
I don't know, nothing too big.
So explain yourself now, because I'm a busy woman, you know, I'm not come to waste no time. I think you say you want me to shoot movie for you.
No sir, but this is the only way I could have get it. If I tell you I do something for me now, come here, I don't want to know over the phone, but here more you do for me. You see for your boss.
What about him?
I want you to get a shot for him. One when sweat up in him. Watch out. Just hear me I say before you do nothing, man. We're reaching out, we're reaching out with no short staff, you know, you see me? We have cash now, but here what more you do for him, man. I just want you to get a shirt from him when he sweat up in her. You understand?
Me?
Watch out, man. I go pay you if you do this for me, you know. I just want you to get something for him. If you don't get his shirt, want you to get his mic, anything for him. You understand? Watch out, man. 100,000 I give you to do this for me, you know. Nobody watch you in my hand. A little bit of money this. You see me?
My youth, you know what kind of trouble you put me in?
Yeah,
why
man.
you choose me to frig up my boss?
Are your boss, you know, you're the closest one could have get to. You understand? Nobody watch your face, man. I pay, I get paid, you know. They just, when you reach home, I send me information, I send you 100,000. Nobody watch this money. This is just for you buy your juice. You see me, but we just show you say we have a bricks. You see me, we're not short stuff. The money did it. I know me I can pay better than how your boss pay. I don't know how I pay, but can double.
I think my boss a did friend. I don't understand. What make you want to do this?
Watch, not worry about that, man. You just do what you feel like you get your share of the money. We don't talk about this again. But you know, what me I gotta do is, me I go pay you if you don't work with him again. You see me, I want him in front in channel drop. I want him flat out the ground. So just trust me, no man, because watch it. One thing you do for me, no, I mean, I say 100,000. You know how much 100 of them 1,000 they can get again. So no worry, this year, man, I just want to look up some change, you see me? So just buy a juice. I have to just buy a juice. You see me? I just send me information and me send you 100 grand. You just grab the thing for me. And you can mail it to me or anything. If you want to care for me personally, I can do that too.
Alright.
Believe in you, you know. Later.
Alright.
Believe in you, you know. Later.
Swing low, sweet chariot, come Coming for the Caribbean.
Boy, them a people in the comment section, no easy, you know. Jaja.
Bagan.
But wait, me never expect you to forward today. Me not shoot today.
Pass me a pass. I'm going to use the bathroom. Me can use the bathroom?
No problem.
Alright. Thanks, sir.
Yeah, man, you're welcome.
Alright.
Remember, say we are shoot Wednesday, you know.
Alright, yeah, man.
9 o'clock on the dot.
Yeah.
Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for the Caribbean. Oh, swing low, sweet chariot.
I wonder what take you so long, you know. You have it. Come on, hurry it, man. A few more. Alright.
Just make sure you send me get the 100,000. Send it to me and
I
come.
mean, man, don't worry about that, man. Remember me is a man I'm married, you know. Thanks, yeah.
Over Jordan, what did I see? Coming for the Caribbean, home a band of angels coming after me.
Sis. Yeah, you don't know, sis.
Urgent.
So now what do you come and check your sis?
Listen to me, no matter what day you go and check me, that me say you have to go and check me tomorrow morning earlier, you listen?
I could have called this and now. When you come one day, you come and check you and then know you call me and tell me to come and check you urgent.
So let's come in the morning to about urgent, go and check me again.
Alright.
Go and check me again.
Alright, anyway, sis. Tomorrow early, me jump on a bus.
Alright.
But my sis, you always tell us, say, use up your powers the right way to serve God. But anyway, I will come and check your man.
Go check your man.
Alright, tomorrow morning early.
Early.
Alright, sis. Yeah, sister. Let me you know. Me look at drive and come up. Alright, so when me near for reach, me call you back. Alright, me left out you now. Hey! Sis, for what?
Yeah,
man.
Ma show that 4 times.
Come in, sis, man. I know me not the pan where you the pan right now.
Ah, sit down there. No, man.
Where you call me up here for?
It's a reason why I call you up here, you know.
What kind of reason?
It's an important reason, man. Anyways, you know that shirt there?
Sis, so if you turn from now, this a shirt.
Take a good look on the shirt.
Sis, me no need to look upon this.
Take a good look on the shirt.
Sis, you know where I live? We are Westmoreland. I mean, I come to Portland, go and look upon people's shirt. Anyway, still, You must know where you up to. Sis. Sis. How comes my shirt reach via Portland?
That you fi ask yourself.
Sis, on my shirt, this a sis. See all the mark up here say. Let me know say definitely my shirt this. Sis, on my shirt, this see mark and me mark my shirt. Sis, you know say me walk in while ago, me see shirt. But me I say, show along one shirt there. Right. I don't even know what to say, sis. God know, I wouldn't like if you tell me how my shirt reach me a Portland.
Boy, I got to tell you, brother. But a good thing say me didn't carry that too, you know. Anyways, I want your YouTuber friend them bring it come, can you say go Sheldon, your business flat, make your YouTube everything mash up. But guess what? It's like when one that happen to you, me I turn it back around for him. So everything for him I go mash up.
Sis, me always a tell her, use a pause to good things. We can't render evil for evil. All if one of my YouTube brethren them, I try to mash me down. Me have a prayer, me don't want you to take you up in hand and do it after your own try to mash him down back. Not because he want to mash me down back. Only thing me can do right now is go home, pray to Father God. Me I left in God's hands. Can't left in your hands. If me left in your hands, I know what's going to happen. But anyways, why else you call me, Papa?
That alone me call you for, you know. Because what they me see, you know, and me I say, you look good and thing. See it there? Y'all put on weight and thing. But anyways, I'm not gonna do him nothing, man. I'm not gonna bother do him nothing.
Sis,
Because of your sake, I'm not bother do him nothing, man. I'm not bother do it.
sis, make sure.
Yeah, man, I'm not bother do nothing, man.
You know you're by doing that, sis. So, I don't want to do him nothing. So just make sure you promise me that. So you're not going to do him nothing.
Yeah, man, I'm not do nothing, man. Anyways, you're good.
Yeah, man, how mommy are going on about?
Everything good, man. She good, man.
Foul them still in the car. Last time I'm coming home, one bag of foul of you know.
Ain't good, man.
Foul them good.
Yeah, man.
Some of the things couldn't do pluck them out and sell them out to the hotel them.
No, man, not reach 6 weeks yet, man.
Sister, you still a think about it? Sister, I'm not tell us some top thing about it. Don't take them off of your brain. I know you want to plan for them something. I know you will do it. But sister, you forgot to the two we born with the powers. You forgot to play with it, I play when we look up and realize that we have the powers. And I still got it, you know. Look here, sister, and I believe I still got it. Look here. You see, so I still got it, sis.
Yeah, boy, easy, but you can't make people do your things and you don't do nothing about it. You see me? You can't do it, man, but you're up to your stills.
My sister, as I tell you already, don't render no evil for no evil. Use your powers to good things. Me have powers to can do evil things, you know, and I choose not. God, me say, God me put my trust in and I believe. But anyway, sister, we are small and me I go back. And they know I boss me from my plan, so I'm going to leave you now. I will look for mommy first before I cut. me make a run and I go back on the west side.
Yeah, man. Keep safe, man. I know you say you don't want me to do them nothing, but still I go watch over here.
Sis, I'm protected by the Most High. God always watch over me. All the time.
Brother, love you. Safe journey.
Love you to my sister. John was star. I wonder which one of my friend might try to do this to me. No, someone should have asked my sister do. But anyway, that good still. I must find out. Hello, Icon.
Yes.
How are you there now?
You know something on the road?
Oh, me go want you come deal with the scene for me did I tell about for go check your doctor man you know. Want to finish up the part and get you out of here.
Right now you want to come?
Yeah, I want to meet me on a West End that are in a love lane. Me I go around there now so you can forward.
Alright, let me just finish up this with the person you handed me come. You'll come right now.
Alright, I remember say me I wait, hurry.
Yeah man, alright, cool.
Alright.
Yeah.
See how it acts like you don't have no life in here. You forgot to say more than one scene we have to do.
It show me tired.
Our Icon.
I'm more on one of them the shirt they have.
And when I shot them, you have yes, but I don't understand that. Why you ask that?
I know not man.
Come, car.
I know nothing, I just three neck look stretch out, you know? So where say we are shoot now? What kind of scene we are there now?
Oh, you only just go walk past the so like you go check your doctor man.
So we never do this same scene already? We do that the
Yes,
scene there?
Icon, we did it, but that's how when you did a chat with the doctor man. We want to catch your part now when you walk for go check him for chat to him. That's why I'm tell us if you way back he said close.
Okay, alright, I'm ready.
So me go want to walk from up there so now.
Alright, so go on up there, sir?
Yeah, go on up there so. Action. Hold it, hold it, hold it.
So what me I go do now?
You just have to continue walk. Go about right down there so.
Just walk me and walk?
Yeah. I remember say doctor man you walk go check you know you know.
Okay.
Yeah. Action. Alright, perfect. Oh, tired. Oh, tired.
Skagge! Yo, Skagge! One Skagge!
Yo, what one?
I pray now one Skagge films.
You don't know bad, bro.
I know I put out the wicked movie them.
Long time
I pray now.
Man.
We are dealing. Yo. You know what's I pass, I'm say yo, I come give you one link, brother. Cause I know say, yo what? You know what's I feel my cousin this, my brother.
What how? Stefan?
Eh? Stefan, you see you to me I try help. When I link up with you. The man I wish bad for me now, bro.
How much joke can make?
The man I wish bad say yo, you like my channel I go say what? Something like you want my channel flap out or something, brother, like, you know what I mean? So I say, yo, what them sitting there for? What them talking there for, bro? How that come out of his mouth, brother? So I say, yo, it look like a man use me now to build him up and then he step for me, brother. That the man did, he use me to get the link with you now. You understand? Because I realize, say, you help him big time, brother. You see it? And one time I see like a few actors. I say him go up there, go check him.
That's an icon, yeah man.
Icon, I see it. But I know I'm not seeing put out that movie there with few actors. Because you know, to me, did I edit them film. Probably that's why. But you see, in this, my brother, I just avoid him, brother. Believe me, brother.
Oh man, Pantan.
I can't trust Stefan, brother. Stefan is evil, brother.
Pantan.
Yo, I say I don't do man nothing, brother.
Pantan.
Yeah.
Ask a question, you know.
Where's I going?
When a big man meds, you know, bro.
Yeah.
You know, say only man come on my yard and can go in my house and certain way.
I mean, man, because we are real youth, bro. You see it?
Yeah, bro, mother like to know if I really you take up my shirt. Can I go give mother woman work for me? She tell me everything, you know. She just never tell me how.
Where's that while ago? Hold on. Skagge. You really said that to me a while ago?
She said shirt to me have on at it. And I only man can go in my house.
Skagge, hold on. I joke you around, man. Yo, that joking. That joking, me, man.
Serious bad, man. Look at me and laugh. So, serious, bro.
So, hold on. I don't hear what you say, good brother. Run back what you said.
Me say, somebody bring my shirt to a mother woman. But the only thing she never tell me or who bring it come. You say one of your friend them. And I hear only man come on my yard and get the opportunity to go in my house.
Oh, so me?
Me nah go say you know.
Skagge, hold on. Where you try say me?
Never say you in a Pantan.
Me Pantan carry. Your shirt down mother woman.
Then who else?
Brother, yo, you know rate man dog. That's me I tell you. You know rate man dog. Man, me this you, I want you dog. Yo, why you do that?
Yo, come on.
Yo.
Left me and for me.
Yo, brother, I want to tell you.
Yo.
What you mean? Yo, brother, yo, listen me I say, brother.
Talk me a time for
yo,
me.
What you mean?
Lick in your face, man.
Lick me now what kind of face? My youth, me not carry your shirt down now over your place, my youth. I want to tell you.
Then how you reach a mother woman?
Me don't know nothing like that, my youth.
Pantan, you alone can go in your house.
Yo, me not go in your house to do that, my youth. Believe me, my youth. Believe me, man. Me tell you, say, yo, youth. What me I go through, youth?
Yo.
I be things when I go through with you know, my youth. The whole of my friend, I'm a family, yo, youth.
Pantan, then I hope not really go in my house.
My youth, and I mean my youth. You really feel something that they sitting in a workout need in my youth. You try do to people need in brother. Because you when you try them things to people, my youth, worse I got to you, my youth.
You ever see nobody else go in my house?
My youth, I'm not doing them things never, brother. I'm not dealing with them something, brother. Brother, let me tell you something, my youth. Me, a God me look to, bro. Me serve a God, brother. You hear me tell you, Jesus Christ of Nazareth, I believe in my youth. I believe in the hope of my youth. You hear that? learn that. So me now go around and try to do them things to the people, brother. To you, I left a place to brother, because I have nothing to believe in you, my youth.
I've left it to you.
To you,
Next
brother.
thing I do, I left me hard.
Hello. Auntie.
Yes.
I don't understand how they go on. You know, tell me say the nigga channel I go flop in actress and actor them I go stop work with him. How me not see nothing I go on now about 1 week now, you know.
Don't worry yourself. You see what gonna happen. Just believe no man, don't worry
Me
yourself.
think say the thing there go happen right away.
Everything takes time. As you say, just keep calm. Don't worry yourself.
Alright then, make it happen.
Okay.
Yeah man, cause I 1 week now, you know, me I wonder how they go on. If I trick me or what.
No man, don't worry yourself, man. Just look.
Alright then.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like
Please my cause, O Lord,
me.
with them that strive with me. Fight against those who fight against me.
Yeah, try. What go on? Yeah man, no good man. You don't know me can't find no bell man. Oh. Man, the back lane that's off. Alright, know yourself man. Everything good man. Respect. Yeah.
Amen.